Okay, welcome back to my channel, guys. If by Bread. If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show, then you have come to know. If a face could launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you. You're all that's left me to. Okay, that's our intro in the first verse. The intro chords are A, A major 7 slash G, and then A7, A7 slash G, and then D slash F sharp, and then D minor F, and then A slash 4, D minor 6 slash F, and then E7. Okay, the picking pattern is bass 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beats. So bass, and then second string, third string, first string, second string, third string, back to first string, and then second string. Okay. Okay. So the intro is the same as the first verse. Only the intro, this is slight different. So for E7 only bass, the last chord of the intro, the 6th string, and the fourth, third string, second string, first string. So that's it. So 5 beats. While for verse 1, the E7, the last chord of verse 1, 8 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's bass, 6th string, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, and then 2nd, 3rd, and then back to 2nd. So that's the difference. That's the only difference. Okay, so now we can go to our refrain. Our refrain is you're all that's left me to. And when my love for life is running dry, you'll come and pour yourself on me. Okay, refrain chords F minor. So you just bar on the second fret and then put your pinky on the fourth fret of fourth string, then pick, and then same picking, second, third, first, second, third, first, second. Okay, and then F sharp minor plus F major 7. You put your ring finger on the third fret of the fourth string. So you're going down. So and then just bar on the fourth fret of fourth, third, second, and first string. And then D6. And then C sharp minor 7 slash B slash 5 is supposed to be like this. Second fret on the fifth, second fret on the fourth, and second fret on the second string. But you can, because we're not going to use the fourth string, or going to use only the fifth, the first, the second, the third, so you can play like that. Because you can mute the third string if you put the fourth. Okay, so to avoid muting of the strings. So, and when my love for life is running dry, you'll come, and F major 7 for yourself on me, and then back to the A7. Okay, so that's our refrain. Now the second verse is the same as verse 1. No difference at all. So if a man, I'll just play it. If a man could be two places at one time, I'd be with you tomorrow and today, beside you all the way. If the world should stop revolving, spinning slowly down to die, I'd spend it with you. And when the world was through, then one by one the stars should all go out. This is the last refrain. Same refrain too, same as River Man. Then one by one the stars should all go out. Then you and I would simply fly. A7 sustain. You can just put your ring finger on the second fret of the string. Then you and I would simply fly away. D/E, A, D minor 6, and then A. Okay, got it? So the picking pattern is bass 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. Okay, the only different is the E7, because you pick from the bass and then fourth, third, second, first, and then that's for the intro. But for the verses, bass, fourth, third, second, first, and then second, third, and then second. Okay, so that's the only difference. It's not. So anyway, maybe some of you have seen the solo guitar by David Gates. He's using different chords over here. But I got these chords in the early 80s. I got this from a songbook. And I don't know why they're using different chord formation. But I guess this kind of chords is, the bass is included. So you see, your bass is fifth and then G7. You can hear that in the song. And then G. And then it's descending. It's a descending bass. Okay, that's why this chord formation plays not only the rhythm but also the bass. Okay, so I've never seen anyone in the internet using this kind of chords. Okay, so you're lucky. You're maybe the second. Okay, let me show you your tab first. Okay. Yeah, long enough. Okay, good. So now we go to our next lesson. We have, I told you to request because I have so many and I don't know which which I'm gonna teach first. This one here is oh, guess what song is that? Or maybe you like this song. This was the song of is this leader of the band by Don Pagelberg. So request, which do you want? Leader of the band or longer than? Okay, have a good day, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to turn on your closed captions for the, what do you call this, subtitles. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. This is haven't subscribed yet. As I've said before, you can request, share, like, comments. Okay, have a good day.